Doc, I'm so happy. I did my treatment last week.
Oh, okay. So it turned out okay.
Yeah, nawala ang double chin.
At tapos ng taas sa face.
Yeah,
Do you
kasi
think it got smaller?
it got smaller. Kasi nainggit ako kay Lindsay Lohan. Ang liit ng face. Nag-deplane. Ayoko naman mag-surgery.
Oo. Kasi di ba, Filipinos kasi they scar. So baka mahalata.
No, parang ano, it's an alternative, no?
Oh, it's an alternative. It gives similar result to a deep plane facelift and a vertical lift. As you can see, nag-lift yung cheeks mo, ganda ng jawline. Pero non-surgical.
Kaya pala, they call it vertical. Kasi daw now, ang uso sa States is like
Vertical.
Vertical.
Axis lift.
happy, Doc. I'm so
Oo.
happy. Wala na akong double chin, ah.
Jawline.
Jawline.
I know,
Pero
pero
yung
yung parang
thighs.
problema yan. Pero sana vertical, natanggal
Kasi,
sa
yung tayo, come on, I'm so serious.